People always ask, which bank gives the best loan in Jamaica? Here's the truth. For 2025, there isn't one perfect bank. There are smart loans and expensive loans. In Jamaica, most major banks, NCB, Scotia, JN, Sagica, JMMB, CIBC, First Global offer similar types of loans, but the cost depends on what you borrow for. Home and vehicle loans, usually lower cost. When a loan is backed by a house or a car, the interest is usually lower. So if you're buying a home or vehicle, the best bank is simply the one that gives you the lowest rate, the lowest fees, and a realistic time to repay two personal loans, where people get shocked when it's not backed by anything. That's when rates are higher. Quick approval doesn't mean cheap, so always check the rate, fees, and total costs, not just the monthly payment. So who's the best? For home or car, shop around and compare at least 3 banks. For personal loans, look at the total amount you will repay, not the monthly number. So in 2025, the smartest question isn't which bank is best, it's which bank gives Emmy the lowest total cost. Comment, compare if you want me to show a real side-by-side loan breakdown.